Hello guys, welcome back to A Square Stars. Today it's me, Avin, and my friend Akshay. So basically today me and Akshay will show you part 6 of showing you guys me and my brother's stuffed animal collection. Okay, so Akshay, introduce yourself and tell them the names of the stuffed animals.
Okay, my name is Akshay and I'm Avin's friend. So this guy's name is Pretty Berry. This girl's name is Emily. This girl's name is Lucia. This guy's name is Shark 2. This guy's name is Akshiladi. This girl's name is Pink Berry. This guy's name is Sonic. This guy's name is Cupcakey 2. This guy's name is Blueberry. This guy's name is Oh Man.
Thank you guys for watching this video. We really appreciate your support and watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Our goal is to reach 100 subscribers, and we really appreciate every like and subscribe we get. And please tell other people about this. We really appreciate you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.